Hello students. So far we have discussed Taylor series, Euler's method, modified Euler's method, Runge-Kutta method to find numerical solution for ordinary differential equation. So now this is session number 47. This one is Milne's predictor and corrector formula method to find numerical solution for ordinary differential equations. So here in theory part, consider the differential equation, that is same one as in earlier cases. Y dash is equal to dy by dx. It is nothing but f of xy with a set of 4 predetermined values. As you know, y of x naught is equal to y naught, y of x1 is equal to y1, y of x2 is equal to y2, and y of x3 is equal to y3. Here x0, x1, x2, x3 are equally spaced values. That means if it is 0.2, it is 0.4, next 0.6, 0.8. If it is 0.1, 0.2, 0.3, so space value of x with width h. So difference of this one is, we can say it is h. Also space value x with width h same. Also x4 is equals to x3 plus h is equals to x0 plus 4h. That means x4 is equal to x3 plus h and x4 is equal to x0 plus 4h. So now predictor and corrector formula to compute y of x4 is equals to y4 are as follows. That means in problem they will mention this one, these values they will given. We have to calculate x4, that means y of x4. Now to find that y of x4, Milne's predictor and corrector formula we have to use. That is y4 of p is equals to y0 plus 4h by 3 to y1 dash minus y2 dash plus 2y3 dash. This is a predictor formula. And one more corrector method, y4 of c is equals to y2 plus h by 3 y2 dash plus 4 y3 dash plus y4 dash. This one is a corrector formula. This formula can be written in the general form, that is y of n plus 1 p is equals to y of n minus 3 plus 4h by 3 into 2 y n minus 2 dash minus y of n minus 1 dash plus 2 y n dash. In corrector, y of n plus 1 c is equals to y of n minus 1 plus h by 3 y of n minus 1 dash plus 4 y n dash plus y n plus 1 dash. So we are not using both the formulas, either we have to use this one or this one. So I think this one is very easy. So this formula we can use to solve the formula. So directly we are going to solve the one problem which is appeared in 2018 in Visvesvaraya Technological University. So given that dy by dx is equals to x minus y square and the data y of 0 is equal to 0, y of 0.2 is equal to 0. That means y of x0 is equal to y0. Next y of x1 is y1, y of x2, next y of x3 is this much. Compute y at x is equal to 0.8, that means y of 0.8. So y of 0.4 is there, 0.6 is not. Next y of 0.8 by applying Milne's method. Here clearly they had mentioned Milne's method. So one more method is there, Adams method. So you will be alert here. Definitely they had mentioned here Milne's method. Next we shall prepare the following table using given data. What is that? We have to prepare one data. So first one is x, y, next y dash is, it is given, y dash is x minus y square, dy by dx means y dash. So first one is x, in place of x, x0. x0 is here, x0 is 0, y0 is 0, x0 is 0, y0. Next 0.2, x is, so x1 is 0.2 here 0.02. Next x2 0.4, y2 0.0795. Next x3 0.6 and y3 it is given 0.1762. Next x4 it is also given. To find x is equal to 0.8, so we have to find y at 0.8, that means y4. x4 next y4 we have to calculate. So here we will complete this chart. Y dash is equal to x minus y square, it is given in question, x minus y square. So y naught dash is equals to x naught minus y naught square. X naught is how much? 0 minus y naught square is 0 again, so answer is 0. Next x1 is 0.2, so y1 dash is equal to x1 minus y1 square. x1 it is 0.2 minus y1 square 0.02 square, so it becomes 0.1996. Next x2 it is 0.4 minus y square y2 square, so it is, so x becomes x2, y becomes y2, because we are finding y2 dash. So y2 x2 y2, so it becomes 0.3937. Next x3 y3 given, y3 dash is equal to x3 0.6 minus y3 square, this square, so it becomes 0.5689. Next we will implement the Milne's predictor formula, that is y4 p is equals to y naught plus 4h by 3 plus, so into 2y1 dash minus y2 dash plus 2y3 dash. Therefore y4 p is equals to y naught is equal to how much? Y naught is equal to 0, 4 into h. H I mentioned is difference, x2 minus x1, x3 minus x2, the difference is h is 0.2. We can write here h is equals to 0.2. It is width or same difference, h is equal to 0.2 divided by 3 to y1 dash. Y1 dash is how much? 0.1996 minus y2 dash. So it is y2 dash is equal to 0.3937 plus 2 into y3 dash 0.5689. So we are going to get 0.3049. Now y4 dash. So now y4 dash is equals to x4 minus y4 square. x4 minus y4 square. So x4 is 0.8. x4 is, it is x4, last question it is y at 0.8, that means it is x4. So x4 is 0.8, y4 dash is equals to x4 minus y4 square 0.8 minus, it is y4 square, y4 we had calculated just 0.3049, it is square, it becomes 0.707. Next we have the corrector formula. So this predictor is over. Now corrector formula y4 at c is equals to y2 plus h by 3 y2 dash plus 4y3 dash plus y4 dash. So it becomes y2 is how much? 0.0795. So y2 plus h by 3, h is 0.2 divided by 3. Next y2 dash is equals to 0.3937 plus 4 into, again y3 dash is 0.5689 plus 0. This one y4 dash calculated just 0.70, so it becomes 0.3046. Now y4 dash is equals to x4 minus y4 square is equals to 0.8 Here in predictor method we implemented. Now in corrector method, 0.8 minus y4 square. Y4 square is 0.3046 the square, so it becomes 0.7072. Substituting this value of y4 dash again in corrector formula. So y4c is equals to 0.0795. So y4 dash is we had given x4 minus y4 square is equals to 0.8 minus 0.3046 square is equals to 0.7072 we got. Now substituting this value of y4 dash again in corrector formula, y4 of c is equals to, c means corrector formula, is equal to 0.0795 plus 0.3, next 0.397 plus 4 point, next plus y4 dash we had calculated again. It is now this time it is 0.7072, earlier it is 0.707, so we are going to get 0.3046. That means y of 4 is equals to y of 0.8 is equals to 0.3046. This is the final answer for this problem. I hope you understood this problem.